Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our Wuhan Coronavirus Lockdown Fest. We are going to react to Chicago and the song is Saturday in the Park. Okay, first time listen to this song. This is our first time reaction to this song as well as a single take reaction.
Yeah, let's get started. It's a Patreon request by our patron Chase. Beautiful, beautiful, really enjoyable and very relatable. Can easily relate to songs like this, even though it's mainly about 4th of July and being in the park on a Saturday. It's relatable because of the other content about being in a park, mingling, interacting, hanging out with around other people. And at a time like this, when many countries and many of us are going through the lockdown, it's such songs are, you remember, it's a nostalgic feeling listening to songs like this, because maybe it will be ages before we actually can experience things like this again, people laughing, touching, dancing, singing, such close proximity. I think it's going to be a long, long time before we'll ever see such experiences again. At least in my country and maybe even in America. Saturday in the Park. What are your thoughts? I really love the trumpets. Did you?
I like it. It was a rock and roll song. The piano playing, guitars playing, trumpets playing, horns playing. It was a lot of music, a lot of actually park style music. Sometimes you see groups of musicians playing music just like that, just to communicate with each other, just to have fun, just to feel the vibe in the park. In several movies, they show local musicians like playing instruments, just to entertain people at the same time, practice their skills and be with each other, have a good time. So it sounded that kind of music to me. And the everyday 4th of July, when it started coming, I thought maybe what Chicago was trying to tell was feeling the freedom every single day. That's what we are sensing in the park. Whether it is Saturday, whether it is another day in the park, it seems like 4th of July. The celebration, the togetherness, the freedom, the peace, everything can be felt around them. So it may have come at a time when it may have struck a chord with a lot of people in America, I'm assuming. Maybe, once they were all done with Vietnam War or something like that, people were happy again. I'm not sure what is the timing of this song, but definitely at a time when people were feeling much better. Politically, community-wise, and there was happiness all over. Birds chirping around, people singing, people playing guitar. There was a man singing Italian song as well. So yeah, a lot of good things happening, multicultural things. That's what maybe they wanted to imbibe in the song.
Yeah.
And when you say when all these things may happen, we don't know. I think I'm positive and very, very optimistic that very soon we shall have some cure for the coronavirus that is going on, the pandemic. And maybe by the end of this year, but it won't be that far off. People will get back to normalcy.
More than independence and freedom and all, I think he is hoping that every day is like this in the park.
Yeah.
He doesn't just have to wait for Saturday when a lot of people hang out at the park.
Weekend, yeah.
It could be some major park in Chicago. I remember in a couple of movies they did show a park in Chicago. You usually associate such scenery, especially since they're Italian people, as well as ice cream and people dancing, singing, all that. You usually associate it with a park in New York, such as a Central Park, some section of the park over there, or a park in San Francisco. But here it's about Chicago, perhaps because the band is Chicago. But there are very few such parks in the world. Overall in the world, there are very few parks where you can actually have a good time. The thing about parks and gardens is that it's just a revitalizer. It's a refreshing feeling to be in the park. You may have had a very tired day at home doing household chores, studying, reading, working, or maybe a tiring day at the office, and you come back home, you take a shower, that freshens you up quite a bit, and then you step outside, go to the neighborhood park or garden, and just sitting there on the park bench or taking a slow walk, ambling along, you feel fresh once again. That's the beauty of being in Mother Nature. Being around greenery, which includes plants, trees, flowers, the grass, just being around all these positive forces of nature makes us feel so good, revitalizes us, rejuvenates us, makes us less tired. It removes the fatigue, it literally wipes it away, and it also reduces stress and sadness and anything that we are going through. Really clears our mind, takes our mind off things, So it's just beautiful to be in the park. So this is a song that I can instantly connect with, although it's written mainly for an American and for an American, by an American band. So it's mainly written with the 4th of July, which most of the rest of the world will have no clue what they're talking about. Unless, of course, they're heavily into Hollywood movies. But I relate to it because I understand that this kind of thing is a wonderful thing, and who knows with what has happened this year whether we'll ever get back to such days again. Will we ever be able to be in close proximity with other people? I shudder to think about the day when our metros, our railway systems will start in Mumbai or other parts of the country, because on that day, chances are very high that India will actually be facing a major pandemic. So far, we've been just coping. It's not major here compared to other countries, most other countries given our population. But I shudder to think the day when, railways and buses start, because there are millions and millions of people that use them and in close proximity to each other, standing, sitting, etc. So I shudder to think what will happen on that day. So for me, walk in the park, not yet. Not for a long time at least. But a good song, really enjoyable song.